Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of April 2025, our system has identified BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.44. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, resulting in a loss of 5.38% so far. This equates to an average loss of 1.08% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decreases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decline of 52.5% over the upcoming 3 months, with returns potentially ranging from 100% loss to 29.6% loss. In terms of the longer view, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 53.45%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 15.24% to 385.32% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $3.85 and $16.21. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline: BigBear.ai Holdings stock price ended at $3.34 on Thursday after losing 2.05%. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price fell by 2.05% on the last day, Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, from $3.41 to $3.34. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.67% with a low of $3.33 and a high of $3.58. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 34.14% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 22 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may signal an early warning, and the risk is expected to increase slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 69 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $229,670,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $10.35, and the lowest price was $1.17. Currently, the price is 67.73% or $7.01. Below the 52-week high, and 79.28% or $12.78. Below the all-time high on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price reached $16.12. BigBear.ai Holdings, Inc. has become the focal point of several class action lawsuits following allegations of violations of securities laws. The company is urging investors who have sustained losses to consider their legal options, with multiple law firms actively seeking clients as the deadline for pursuing lead plaintiff status approaches on the 10th of June, 2025. These class actions were initiated due to alleged infractions related to federal securities laws, aiming to claim damages for shareholders who acquired BBAI securities during the specified class period. From a market perspective, the stock may experience volatility as these legal issues unfold. In the short term, the news could lead to uncertainty among investors, potentially suppressing the stock price due to concerns about reputational damage and financial liabilities. Moreover, the involvement of multiple law firms and the prospect of litigation may deter new investors. Conversely, should BigBear.ai successfully navigate these legal challenges or achieve favorable resolutions, it might stabilize and regain investor confidence over the longer term. If technical analysis suggests that a short squeeze could occur alongside rising support levels, this might attract speculative trading, further influencing stock price dynamics. Overall, stakeholders should remain vigilant as these developments could significantly shape BBAI's performance in the months ahead. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating, along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 15th of October 2024, it was again reported that H.C. Wainwright gave BBAI a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, there will be support at the levels of $3.29 and $3.03. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, and to date, the stock has declined by 65.85%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 54 days ago. Bollinger, I signal 117 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $3.27. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. And with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 255 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, representing a change of 7.67%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 11.98%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and could raise concerns about the risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 6 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $3.51. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $3.27. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 8th of April, 2025, PanGM Ultimate Holdings LLC conducted an insider sale of 27,430,402 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider purchase of 125,284 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider purchase of 151,442 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider sale of 18,135 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Peffer Julie conducted an insider purchase of 146,853 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 93.379. In total, insiders purchased 2,525,089 shares and sold 145,080,800 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.18, which reflects a decrease of 4.74%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, leading to a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal resulting from a pivot top identified 53 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of May, we expect BigBear.ai Holdings to open higher by 7.5 cents and start trading at $3.42. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.